Namaskar guys, welcome to the Upasana IAS Academy. Myself Upasana Sareen. Guys, today I am going to discuss about the editorial which is very useful for the GS again social issue as well as GS third economic and sociology optional and essay paper. So this particular editorial is important and please jot it down, this editorial main point into your the Hindu copy. Okay. So first thing is editorial is reset of rural job policy, recognize the women work. Okay. So guys, what does the editorial mean? The editorial is talking about that the rural women work is declining. The rural women workforce is declining and there is need to reset the rural policy. This whole editorial is talking about it. Okay. So the mains question can come in your paper belong to this editorial. The question can be discussed. The first key point of this is the discuss. The discuss is talking about the deep thinking. Okay. So you have to remember the point that the question key point is discuss. Discuss the need to reset rural job policy. Reset rural job policy. Okay. And to recognize the women work. You have to make the point like this. Recognize the women work for escalation of GDP. Okay. So guys, now we are going to discuss about what the editorial is and how we can put into the answer writing. Okay. So now the first thing is, before proceeding to this editorial, we must have to understand what is the meaning of labor force. What is the meaning of labor force, guys? Labor force employs the participation of working people for the escalation of GDP. And participation of working people, it means at the age of 16 to 65. The retirement age of central government employees 65, so they are also working employees, so they come into the labor force. The people who are doing work will come under the labor force and they are contributing for the escalation of GDP. Okay. Second thing is what? The student who are doing the full-time studies. The domestic worker women, the domestic women who take care about their children, their kids, kin, they did not consider into the work labor force. Okay. So I hope you understand the labor force means the people, the working people who do contribute in the GDP. Okay. So guys, this editorial is talking about the rural job policy, recognize the rural women. Okay. Guys, actually what happened pre-COVID-19 and post-COVID-19 and during COVID-19. Okay. We try to understand the things. The pre-COVID-19, the labor force of male and female, they both is quite nice. Even the CMI is Center of Monitoring Indian Economy, they said, we compare to the 2019 April, the women workforce participation is approximately too good, 65-64%. That is quite nice. But if we are talking about during COVID-19 and the lockdown period, the women workforce are more sufferer than the male. The CMI said the 74% are the male and 54% are the female workforce. The most affected workforce is 54%. The women workforce. The women workforce is affecting a lot due to the COVID-19. And in the rural people, rural village, you know, the agricultural work is halted during the April-March. Not only the agricultural work, but the floriculture, the PC culture. During the lockdown period, the fishermen did not went and they did not pick the fish and they did not sell the fish. The floriculture, PC culture, and you can say other non-agricultural work like the construction work, they all were halted. So somewhere not only the agricultural workers but the non-agricultural workers are similarly get affected due to the lockdown period. And why the crisis of employment occurred? The crisis of employment occurred, the author says some points, like the first is there is an absence of worker. The absence of worker does not mean the people does not want to do the work, but they are lacking the opportunities. They are not getting the opportunities of work. That is why the workers are absent. The worker want to do the work, but opportunities are not as equal. And more deteriorating condition of a worker is female worker. Second point, the rural young educated women, they do not prefer to do the agricultural activity. They are just keep quiet, and they are try to engage themselves in the non-manual work. But during the COVID-19, everything is halted. So at this point of time, we can say the non-manual work women participation is also quite down, and manual work participation is also quite down. The both get affected. And next thing is, the focus should be the all strata of women, not only the agricultural rural women, but the all strata of women get affected due to it. For example, the maid, the cleanliness women, the women who are doing work as a something like services and many things. The women's participation is get affected, and there is a crisis of employment. This is also a social issue. And the next point is the time period of women is more extending than the male. The male is a breadwinner. The male is responsible to do the work, go outside and take the money into the home. But whereas female, if she participating in the economic activity, she have to do the household chores, and she have to take care about their kids. So women's working hour is too extending long, and the authors say it should be reduced. The women should be given the relief from the cooking, and the male have to give the participation in the taking care of children with the women, if the women is participating in the economic activity. So here, what the prospect of the future, what future talks about? The future say we have to put focus of the employment of rural women, and for the escalation of GDP, it is the need of hour to give them the equal power and to give them engage them in the economic activity rather than in cooking and some other household chores. So what the government is doing? The government is doing like the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, the extension of Manrega, as well as some economic participation by the women participation in the escalation of GDP. And women should be considered not as a gender indifferentiate, but the gender equality in the society during the lockdown period. So the participation must be increased, and it should be encouraged, so that the women and men both will come together, and they are responsible for the enhancement of GDP of India. Okay guys, I hope you understand. Thank you.